Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. So in this session we are going to solve 5 set of questions which were asked in previous year RBI Assistant exam. So without wasting our time, now let's solve this first one. So try to solve this question by yourself. So hope you would have solved this. Now let's solve this particular question. The cost of painting of a wall of a cuboidal room is 8640 at a rate of 15 rupees per meter square. So what is the total cost? 8640. And what is the price to paint per meter square? It is like 15. So based on this, what will be the area of four walls? So 8640 divided by 15. Okay, so this is nothing but area of four walls. So here it is like cubical room. So what will be the formula for area of four walls, which is 4a square? So 4a square. So what we are going to do, we are going to take this 4 down. Okay, and we will solve it. So 15 into 4, 60. Okay, so 60. So 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So now I will cancel it. So you'll be getting 1, 4, 4. So a square will be 144. So what will be the value of a? So value of a will be like 12 meters. So this is nothing but side of the cube. Okay. Now find the cost of painting the walls of a rectangular room whose length and breadth is 2 meter more and 2 meter less than side of cube respectively. So what will be the length? 2 meter more, that is 14. And what will be the breadth? 2 meter less. So which is 10. And height is equal to side of the cube. So what is height? Which is 12. And we need to find cost of painting the walls of a rectangular room. So what is the formula to find the area of rectangular room? That is walls of area of walls of rectangular 2 into h into L plus B, which is nothing but curved surface area. So 2 into, so what is h? 12. So what is L plus B? 24. And again, what is the cost of painting 1 meter square, which is like 15. So 2 into 12, 24. So 24 into 24, 576. So 576 into 15. Okay, 576 into 10 is like 5760 and 5 is like 2880. So if I add, so you'll be getting like 8640. So answer for this particular question will be 8640. Now let's solve the second one. Okay, so try to solve the next question by yourself. So hope you have solved. Now let's try to solve this particular question. So train M of length 200 meters crosses a platform of length 400 meter in 10 seconds. So train length is like 200 and platform length is like 400. So total it is 600. So what is the time taken? 10 seconds. So distance by time is nothing but speed. So what is the speed of train M? So 60 meter per second is speed of train M. If ratio of speed of train M to that of train N is 6 is to 7. Okay. So M and N is like 6 is to 7. If 6 part is like 60, then 7 part will be 70 meter per second. So this is nothing but speed of train N. Then find 1/5 of length of train N given that N can cross the pole in 13 seconds. So what will be the formula to find length of the train, that is speed into time. So what is the speed of train N? 70. So what is the time taken? 13. And what we need to find? 1/5 of that value. So into 1 by 5. So this is one time and this is like 14. So what is 14 into 13? 182 meters. So answer for this particular question will be 182 meters. Okay. So next one. So try to solve by yourself. Yes. So hope you have solved this. Now let's solve this particular question. 4 year ends from now. Ratio of ages of Pavan and Qureshi will be 15 is to 16 respectively. Okay. So what is the thing? 15 is to 16 respectively. So present age of Pavan is 40% more than that of Ram. Okay. So 4 years ends Pavan and Qureshi, it will be like 15 and 16. So percentage of Pavan is 40% more than that of Ram. Okay. So percentage of Pavan and Ram. So it will be like 7 and 5. Next, if present average age of Qureshi and Ram is 50. So average age is like 50, then sum will be 100. Then find the ratio of percentages of Qureshi and Ram. Okay, so this is like percentage. So percentage of Pavan and Ram is like, let me consider 7x and 5x. So what about Qureshi? So Qureshi will be 100 minus 5x, right? Okay, done. So we already know after 4 years, Pavan and Qureshi's ratio will be 15 and 16. So present is like 7x by 100 minus 5x. This is like present. So after 4 years, the ratio will be 15 by 16. So now if we cross multiply, 16 into 7 is like 112x plus 64 is equal to 100 plus 4, 104, 104 into 15, 1560 minus 75x. So 112x, if I bring this minus 75 plus 75, so what will be getting? 187x is equal to 1496. So if I cancel, we'll be getting value of x is like 8. And what we need to find? Percentages, that is ratio of percentages of Qureshi and Ram. So Qureshi, so what is value of x? 8. So 5 into 8, 40. So 100 minus 40, 60. And what is Ram? 5x, that is 5 into 8, 40. So what will be the ratio? Ratio will be 3 is to 2. So answer for this particular question is like 3 is to 2. Okay. Next one. So try to solve it by yourself. Yes. So hope you have solved this. Now let's solve this particular question. So a man deposited rupees X at simple interest in the beginning of first year. Okay. And he added rupees X at the beginning of second year and third year in a bank. So after 3 years, he get total amount of rupees 13440. If the rate of interest is 12% per annum, find the value of X. Okay, so initially we'll consider the man deposit is like 100 per. So 100 per. Okay, so for first year, you would have received 112 pots. Okay, because rate of interest is like 12% per annum. So again, second year, okay, you'll be investing 200 per. So how much rupees you would have received? So you'll be receiving 224 per. And third year, total 300 per. Okay, and total 336 per. So total how much rupees he has received? Here will be getting 276, so 672 per. But what is the total amount he received? 13440. And what we need to find? We need to find 100 per, that is 100 per equal to how much? Okay, which is nothing but value of x. So now if we cross multiply, this is one time and this is like 20 times. So x will be 20 into 100, which is 2000. Okay, next one. So pause this video and try to solve it by yourself. Yes. So hope you have solved this one. Now let's solve this particular question. A trader offers 16% discount on marked price. So how we can write 16 percentage 4 by 25? That is, if marked price is like 25x, then selling price will be like 21x because he is giving 4 rupees discount. Okay. And he earned a profit of 120. So what is the profit here? Profit will be 120. If instead he offered a discount of 140, then the profit percentage would be 20 percentage. Okay. So now here 20% profit in the sense, if cost price is like 5x, selling price will be 5y, selling price will be 6y. And what is the discount he has offered? 140. Okay, so marked price will be like 25x. So in this he is giving 140 discount. Okay, so here we know selling price and cost price ratio is like 6:5. So what is the selling price? So 21x minus 120 is equal to, which is, see, 21x minus 120 is nothing but cost price. So what is the cost price ratio? 5. And what about selling price? So how to get selling price? So selling price will be marked price minus discount. So that is 25x minus 140. So if you cross multiply, we'll be getting 6 into 21, which is 126x minus 720 is equal to 125x minus 700. So value of x will be 20. Okay, and what we need to find the marked price of the article. So what is the marked price? 25x. So 25 into 20. So what will be the answer? It will be 500. So marked price of the article is like 500 rupees. Okay, fine. So hope you have like this video. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.